Turbine Guy coming back at you, still working on the 27-foot Chris Craft Constellation, and we're actually finally starting to get somewhere. Not only is the chine in, but so are all the inner ribs and supports we had to replace. As you can see, with the next step, getting the boards cut out of the rough lumber I have and playing down, you can see already got one tacked up and in here, ready to go. We've got the outlines of the other boards we've been working on. We've got them cut and ready. Getting ready to cut out the last major bottom board. So we're starting to get somewhere on this baby. The goal right now is to get all these boards formed, cut, and tacked in, not really installed. Then you take them all out and glue and screw them in. Maybe, mess with them a little bit to get a better, tighter fit, so it's nice and watertight. So hopefully in a few days we'll have all these bottom boards on, the side boards in, and we'll be ready to prep her for getting in the water. Turbine Guy signing off.